Welcome to our channel, and today Adriana and I will show you how we face paint
Stitch.
Yes. I like to start with a light blue color. Next will be dark blue. It goes like that here. The next step will be pink. Some black for the nose. I'm going to change the brush and grab a thin brush for the outline. Now we can grab white paint and add some highlights. I always like to add some glitter for the cheeks. And our stitch is ready. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up
Subscribe.
and subscribe. Please and thank you. Have a great day. Bye.